Steam. Nasal congestion is one of the main reasons behind snoring. One of the best solutions for reducing congestion is to inhale steam. Pour hot boiling water in a large bowl. Add 3 or 4 drops of eucalyptus essential oil or tea tree essential oil. Hold a towel over your head and inhale the steam deeply through your nose for 10 minutes. Follow this remedy daily before going to bed until your congestion clears. Clarified butter. Clarified butter, also known as ghee, has certain medicinal properties that can help open up blocked nasal passages. This in turn will help you snore less and sleep better. Slightly warm a small amount of clarified butter in a microwave. Use a dropper to put 2 or 3 drops of lukewarm clarified butter in each nostril. Do this daily before going to bed and again after waking up the next morning. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.